Hello, I'm Godwin and I want to show you how to make the Cosmo Canyon from Final Fantasy VII Remake Mocktail Edition. Wait, why Mocktail? Because currently I am taking piano lessons. That means no alcohol from me. But piano lessons will be for another story. So here is my recipe for the mocktail. We have 1 cup of cranberry juice, then 1/2 cup of passion fruit juice, then 1/2 cup of juice squeezed from lemons, and then the drink base, Vida salty lychee flavored sparkling water. Note that for the red juice, you can use any red juice that you can think of, whether cranberry, raspberry, or any others that you have. For the non-red juice, we have passion fruit, but you may use any other non-red juice that you can think of. But please make sure that you use more red juice than non-red juice. And before we forget, we have rock salt and calamansi for the citrus wheel. Why? We will garnish the drink. The garnishing makes the drink more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the Cosmo Canyon mocktail. First off, we begin with the sparkling water. Then let's add the sparkling water like so. Looks cool because of the bubbles. These bubbles should give the spirit of the drink, for lack of a better word. Then let's add in all the juices. First off, we begin with the cranberry juice. Here we have him. We'll clean that up later, don't worry. We have that nice dark red color. Then we add the passion fruit juice. And let's not worry about the color. This looks nice anyway. And then we add the lemon juice. This serves as a good addition, but we'll figure out why later. Then we now seal the drink jar so we can mix the drink. But we have to be careful because of the sparkling. Can you see those little bubbles? That's carbon dioxide. If we let the pressure build up, we might cause trouble. Like, for example, the lid flies off and Tifa gets mad at us for wrecking her bar. Well, I don't have the money to pay for repairs because I just came from the upper plate, if you know what I mean. So we have to be careful when mixing the drink, okay? So now we mix the drink. We should make it a point to release the pressure by opening the drink jar. So shake and open. Then here we have it. Case in point, in real life I'm a chemist, so I've had my experience of these of having pressure building up inside a vessel like this. So we have to be extra careful. I think I can afford another shake. I'm glad that the gas behaved pretty well this time. And we have our drink. Let's not get too excited for the drink because we'll have to prepare the glasses. But I'll show you how to garnish the glass on one of them. So let's start. We have the calamansi, which will serve as the citrus wheel. Then we will wait. What we will do here is to coat the rim of the glass with calamansi juice. Let's squeeze the calamansi a little until a little bit of the juice comes out. I'll show you. Here we have them. We should see some of the calamansi juice getting into the rim of the glass. And then what we do next is to coat the rim of the glass with rock salt. A must for every good drink. And then we have to be careful when rolling the glass as shown here. And there we have it. Some rock salt to go with the Cosmo Canyon. And here we have the calamansi. And this is the glass waiting for the first batch of Cosmo Canyon. Things should get exciting here. And Tifa, if you're watching, this is the most exciting part. Gotta be careful here, because who knows, this might be a good addition for your menu, Tifa. Come on, gotta be careful here. Come on. So we have to pour the drink like so, and we're done. We have the Cosmo Canyon mocktail. Now for the taste test. I wonder how Tifa will react to this Cosmo Canyon mocktail. Impressive. So this is it for the Cosmo Canyon Mocktail Edition. Tifa, please include the mocktail on your menu. Trust me, you will include more customers. Thank you very much.